Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw money from Etsy payments to your linked bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw money from Etsy payments to your linked bank account, begin by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, click on the Shop Manager option at the top of the page. In the Shop Manager, locate and click on the Finances tab in the sidebar. Next, select Payment Account from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see your available balance and recent transactions. To initiate a withdrawal, locate the button that says Withdraw Funds. Click on this button to proceed to the withdrawal process. Now, you'll see your linked bank account details. Ensure that the correct bank account is selected for the transfer. If you need to link a new bank account, follow the prompts to add the necessary information. Once you've confirmed the bank account, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits set by Etsy. After entering the amount, click on the Submit button to finalize your request. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. The funds will typically be transferred within a few business days. Keep in mind that processing times may vary based on your bank. To check the status of your withdrawal, revisit the Payment Accounts section in your Shop Manager. Repeat these steps whenever you wish to transfer money to your bank in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.